Hey everyone, today we're unboxing the Instant Pot Duo Plus, the ultimate kitchen game changer. This incredible device isn't just a pressure cooker. It's 9 appliances in one, covering everything from slow cooking to yogurt making. With 15 customizable smart programs, dinner is practically on autopilot. Just set it and forget it. Imagine whipping up healthy, delicious meals in a fraction of the time, perfect for busy weeknights. And cleanup is a breeze thanks to the durable, food-grade stainless steel inner pot, a true upgrade from non-stick. What truly makes the Instant Pot Duo Plus stand out is its seamless integration of so many functions into one sleek, reliable unit. If you're looking to declutter your counter and simplify meal prep, this is definitely the best kitchen appliance purchase you can make. Ready to revolutionize your cooking? You can find the Instant Pot Duo Plus with the best deals via the Amazon link in my description below. It's an essential upgrade for any modern kitchen, transforming how you prepare your everyday meals. Don't miss out on making mealtime easier and more delicious. Click that link and get yours today.